Alrighty, give you a little walk around the Ford 1200 two-cylinder diesel tractor. I say I've owned this for about 6 years now. A couple years ago I posted a video just plowing snow with it, no real description or anything. I'll include a link, but I figured, we'll go take a close look at the tractor, show you how to hook up a mower or deck on the 3-point hitch, and like I say, go over some of the features and that of it. Okay, one, the hood, I don't have these hooked down. You can just flip the whole front end up. And there's our little two-cylinder diesel engine. Fuel tank. Battery. Air cleaner, radiator. Like I say, all fairly straight, simple, and forward to access. And we'll put this back down. And this is throttle. Then you also down here have a throttle pedal. And this operates your 3-point hitch up and down. Gear shift, high and low range. And back here turns your PTO on and off. And this adjusts the speed of the 3-point hitch arms, how fast they go. You turn it towards the turtle, they go slower, and back towards the rabbit. I had it set in high. Faster. And there is a close-up of your, like you say, PTO and hitch setup. And the number. And I did do some research on this one, and it is a 1980 is what it is. Of course, clutch is right here. And you sit on the tractor. You have your proof meter. This has 1,155 hours on it. Down here, because it's a diesel, your cold start date. And that's what we're going to do next. We'll start the tractor up. Take here and, like I say, turn the key to the counterclockwise and just hold it. Not enough in the sunlight here it'll show or not. Yeah, it's starting to glow red. Just do that, and this should be ready to start. Push the throttle up a little bit, and then just turn it clockwise like normal, and crank it over. There she started up. Alrighty, and we're going to put it here in low range once, and then if you go back to like where I was in third, you go to take off, well, we're just crawling. Nice feature, especially if you're trying to pull or something with it there. Then we can go back into high. And away we go. Yeah, pretty simple. Like I say, nice little tractor. Alrighty, my tractor does serve multi-purposes. I'm going to take, this is a homebrew catch rainwater to wash cars. And I'm going to take, I put a little hitch bowl here on the back of the tractor. I use this to move it. Now, like I say, you can just take and put this down on. Yeah, this little homemade contraption of mine, the first container is a 55 gallon, the second is a 30, and the last is 15, so it's around 100 gallons of water. That's 800 pounds plus the weight of the wagon, which I had to redesign to hold the weight. And it pulls it with these. Alrighty, and we're going. Yeah, there's no problem on that. I'm just the first gear putting along here. Another use of the tractor. Alright, going to demonstrate how to hook up a stake mower here on the hitch of the tractor. Alrighty, I'm going to start here by hooking the drive shaft up to the PTO. You can turn the PTO till the spline's lined up. There we go. And then push the button on the shaft and pull it back, and you know when it engages. Then our top link. And take and install one of the pins and lock that in place. And then we're down to just put and there it is installed. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was fun to make. Like I say, be looking for more in the future. I enjoy cars, tractors, a little bit of everything, so be sure to check back, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button.